In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a NinjaTrader account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to account.ninjatrader.com. Then from there, it's going to ask us to put in our username, password, log in, or we can go ahead and sign in with our Google or Apple account. So for this demonstration, I'm going to sign in with my Google account. That's going to basically sign me up and sign me in at the same time. Now, if you don't have a Google Apple account, we can go ahead to the right here. If it says don't have an account, go ahead and click on get started to open a trading account or download the latest release of NinjaTrader. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on sign in with my Google account. Now I'm going to choose the correct account here. And now this is going to create my account and sign me in at the same time. Now, once we've done that, we're going to be coming over to the main dashboard of NinjaTrader here. Now, it should say welcome your name, and below that, we've got live trading and simulation. Now, before you want to do some live trading, you will need to do some verification. So to go ahead and open a real account, you don't need to do this for simulation. Simulation, you don't need to put in too much information. You don't have to verify your account. So if you want to do live and open up this account, click on start trading. Now this is going to open up a new page here where it should come to the terms of service and all that good stuff. And then just click on next to get onto this. So it's going to say select the training mode. So select your trading environment below to use NinjaTrader web or download NinjaTrader desktop platform to install on your PC. Now, because I've already half completed this application, it's going to say live trading here. So go ahead and click on that and then go through the process of opening up your NinjaTrader account. And then once successfully verified, you're going to be able to start making live trades on NinjaTrader.